Hiya, welcome to my channel. I'm the RC Hunter. Today the postman came and delivered me this little rock crawler. The reason why I got this, as you all know from the previous two videos, I got the FTX Canyon and Homipod did too. We wanted a camera platform vehicle to follow the two FTX Canyons around, and we came across this. So let's open it, let's see what it's all about. Wow, this looks super cool. So right then, let's see what's in here. So you get your charger, nice little charger, instruction manual, and the TX, which is pretty cool. Nice little TX. I do like these style TXs. So you've got your on off switch, your steering, your throttle and brake, and on here you got buttons, and these actually work the wheels, so it can actually do crab, it can do any sort of like rock crawl. This is what we need. Tyres look really well, suspension looks pretty good. So underneath you've got, wow, that's crazy. You've got your two trim levels. This has actually got one on each side, so that's pretty cool. So in here we've got a NIAM 700 milliamp 6-volt battery. So we just put the battery in. The on-off switch is at the back. It looks like it's waterproof, and we have lights. That's pretty awesome. So we've got lights up front. So it takes 4 AA batteries. Hey presto, we have some here. Let's turn it on. Turn the transmitter on. So the first one is like a crab walk. So the front axle goes right and the back axle goes left. Pretty cool. Second one is front wheel drive only. Third one is rear wheel drive. And the fourth one, I'm guessing, will be full 4-wheel drive. Yeah, this is awesome. So what we have here is a pretty decent, I reckon, camera platform for the FTX Canyons. We have like a 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, crab drive, 4 different types of drive, RC, nice little TX, and let's hope it works, you know, as we hope and plan for it to do. So let's have a quick drive.